Scoring models are available in a variety of shape and size. Some are general or highly detailed. In a summary, scoring model is one in which numerous factors are weighted in different ways and the outcome is a score. Then the score is used to reach a conclusion, make decision and give advice. Therefore, it can relate different decision situations and answer a wide variety of questions. These are examples of questions can be answered with scoring model. The first one, risk analysis. What risk category does this event belong in? Lead qualification, which lead has the best chance of the success. Project management, which is the best way to carry out a project. Lastly, product selection, which product best fit my needs. The key point for this problem that we need to focus are, the first one, she needs to choose one from three job offers, which is analyst, accountant, and auditor. Second, she must decide which one is the best and suit with her qualification. Third one, company demands an answer within 1 week. Lastly, she does not have any experience in that career field before. So she decided to use scoring model method to help her, and she chose 5 criteria that are important in a working life, which are career advancement, location, management style, salary, and enjoyment of the work, and weighted them each of these criteria in terms of its relative importance and analyzed each potential job offer and graded them according to each criteria. The purpose of the developed model is to make decisions over alternatives that are categorized by several criteria. The method used is a scoring model which to prioritize use numerical scoring to rank strategic alternatives against benefit or loss categories. It is very useful when carry out numerous scores in the multiple layer of data. In this case, she must choose one job offer that can maximize her payoff, which are best for her and suit her qualification as fresh graduate from accounting course. The scoring model method is very suitable to solve this kind of problem as it gives scores based on rank were assigned by her according to the survey she conducted. It is based on a human judgment and prioritized as a decision maker. It would be best decision and recommended to take the alternative with higher score. These are model formulation, which are sum of multiple of grade and weight. These are worksheets of scoring model for 3 job offer. The criteria weight are placed into the cell B16 until to B20. The grade of score for each criterion and decision alternative are entered into cell C16 until to E20. For the calculation to compute the score for each decision alternative, the formula for calculation in C24 is equal to the weightage multiple with the score for career advancement and entered, and then don't forget to put this symbol to log the value of weightage. Then copy this formula into cell C24 to E28 to provide the result in row 24 to 28. Then the score for the analyst position were calculated in cell C29, which is equal to sum, and then drag this until C24 until C28. Copy formula in cell C29 to cell D29 and E29 to provide score for the accountant and auditor. Because analysts have highest score, which is 0.46, therefore it would be recommended division followed by auditor, which is 0.29, and accountant 0.25. The data were taken from primary source, which means an online survey or online questionnaire was conducted. The online questionnaire was sent to the all accounting student who has a knowledge or experience in that career field, which are analyst, accountant, and auditor, to know their opinion or preference. These are online questionnaire were asked to the respondent. The first one is most preferred criteria in working life, career that better in the career advancement, career that you think would be better if the workplace near to your house, career that would give better management style, career that greater in terms of salary, career that you think you will enjoy during work time. When it summarized in table, the result will become shown as below. A scoring model is a low-cost and convenient technique to determine the relative worth of anything. The scoring model technique allows to rank features or initiatives on several criteria using a benefit versus cost framework, and then use the rating that generate to select which project qualifies. Secondly, the scoring model allows organizations to individually to select key criteria and assign varying values to features that are relevant to their circumstances. Decision strategy might vary greatly because no individual would be the same. Last but not least, the scoring model is efficiency method. Reasonable decision can be made faster and totally automated by standardizing the decision making through the use of a scoring model. Scoring model help to decide how to prioritize alternatives and other options in our problem. With this framework, alternatives are scored according to set of a common criteria based on the human judgment as a decision maker and ranked by their final score. The goal of the scoring model is to obtain an objective quantitative value for each alternative on the list that is competing, and this value can be used to determine which thing should be prioritized. Therefore, for this problem, she should choose analyst would be the best recommendation for her. That's all from me, Nurul Aina binti Muhammad Nasir, number matric 272822. Thank you.